Hi, Billie the Artist here, just with a quick update. I've been a little bit tired this week, so it's been, for everyone all over, a completely bonkers few months, and I've done an absolute shed load, still trying to keep everything going and just doing all the usual stuff, but doing the how to draw videos has been an absolute joy, and I am going to do some more. I just kind of got very tired this week, but it was also coupled with the fact that we could see friends and family who we haven't seen for months, like many other people, which has been fantastic. Able to give my dad a hug for the first time in 3 months, which was also fantastic. So, like everyone else, it's just been a bit crazy. And it's also been a really good time for me to reflect on my work. Still can't get all the stuff I need from suppliers, but hopefully next month that might ease up a little bit more. So I've just been able to sit back, think, plan and get ready for the next 3 months. So I've got a lot of work planned. I say just kind of hit burnt out, well, not burnout, but just very tired. And it's been great to actually have a little bit of reflection, thinking, how am I going to move forwards now with the how to draw videos and all my other work into the future in this very, very interesting time that we're all in. Anyway, I hope you're all well. Thanks ever so much. Please do like and subscribe. I will be back on. I'm still answering comments, but it's just been great to have a little bit of reflection this week. So I thought to give you a little bit of an update. I'm going to get through the weekend and just crack on with new work into the future. Anyway, take care and I'll see you in the next video. Ta-da.